Thank you.
Good morning and welcome everybody. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful day here. An exciting day for JCPS, and today we are celebrating the completion of the very first of our 21 turf fields that will be installed at JCPS high schools over the next few years. And I'm very proud that the first one that we have completed now is at the Academy at Shawnee. As a former coach and athletic director, I always talked to our students and felt like they did not feel like they had the same facilities as surrounding districts and other public schools and private schools. And sometimes even to the fact where they felt a little embarrassed about their facilities compared to other facilities around the state.
This is just the beginning of all the amazing things that are happening in JCPS athletics. We are thankful for our board members and our superintendent's support, and we're thankful for our coaches and also our student athletes who are working hard each and every day. So I'm excited for the Eagles to have this opportunity to be the first ones, but we'll continue to have more and more fields to support our student athletes.
We have a lot of potential. These athletes behind us, these students, they have the potential to do many, many things. And as I leave, prepared to retire here, I'm excited about this opportunity for our kids, that the students in Jefferson County and the students in the west end of Louisville will have something to be very proud of.
This is the best of the best. We go to Lexington, we play out of town a lot. We were the only 2A school, so our district is all out of town teams. Everybody has nice facilities. Nobody will have a nicer facility than Shawnee from today on. Nobody will have a nicer facility than Shawnee. The kids are proud. I mean, we're having trouble keeping the neighbors off. All they want to do is come out and walk on it. They just want to see it.
For the first time ever, I believe that these young men behind me will have the best of the best and just an incredible opportunity to showcase their skills and talents on a field and a stadium that they deserve.